All right,
That's just from the road pile.
we're about to walk our dog, so we're going outside for the first time since the overnight blizzard, and it has been shoveled.
Morning.
Morning. Got a nice snowbank here from the plows. I'll just give you the panorama. There's Laura in her winter wear.
It's great though, because then you can see how much it is over here.
I know, it's huge. Awesome.
See, look, she's up to her knees in it.
Yep. Woohoo! Lanesboro. Sweet. Look at that car, dude. It's got a big fin on it. Love it. December 9th, 2000, I keep doing that, 2009, sweet.